In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Turn Off the Lights Naver Whale extension. Let's get started. Alright, so first things first. Take a look at your browser, and you'll see the Turn Off the Lights Naver Whale extension right here. It's a great tool for enhancing your browsing experience, but if you no longer need it, I'll walk you through the steps to uninstall it. To begin, right-click on the gray lamp button. A context menu will show up, and select the menu item, Remove from Whale. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the removal. Just click on Remove once again, and voila! The Turn Off the Lights Naver Whale extension is now completely uninstalled from your browser. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully uninstalled the Turn Off the Lights Naver Whale extension. It's as simple as that. If you ever want to reinstall it, you can always find it on the Naver Whale store by searching for Turn Off the Lights. Alternatively, you can find it below in the description text. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy browsing!